Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add a task to your task list in the Todoist mobile application. So let us begin. Alright, step number 1, launch the Todoist application. Let me launch it on my Android, and here on your home screen simply tap into Inbox in the bottom left, or alternately you may navigate to the calendar view below by tapping into Today. So guys, to create or to add a new task and to add it to a specific day, tap into that plus button in the bottom right corner and give your task a name. Like, I don't know, let me give it the name task 1, 2, 3. And after that, you may describe it below by tapping into description here, for instance. You may also set a specific day by tapping into today here. And for instance, I don't know, go with a specific date like tomorrow, later this week, this weekend. Or select a day from the calendar below, or no date at all if it's, for example, a recurring task, on an everyday basis. And after that, guys, you may also tap into add time here to add a specific time of the day, like, I don't know, let's say 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. Change the time zone in the bottom left if you like. Confirm by tapping into OK here. Let me just switch to tomorrow. And that's it, guys. After that, you may also set a priority status by tapping into priority here, or go through advanced settings by tapping into these 3 dots here and assign various labels or edit task actions, or also add a deadline. However, guys, adding deadlines and locations may depend on your membership status here on Todoist. So guys, once you're ready, you simply tap into that red arrow to the right icon here to post your, in the bottom right corner to post your task. And that's basically it. Now I have accidentally deleted, so let me just give it again a name and tap into that blue icon in the bottom right corner. And there you go. As you can see, the task has been added. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.